This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter from the toolkit where necessary, slacken the front right-hand wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the vehicle body chassis rails and raise the vehicle until the front wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis rail and lower the jack. Fully slacken the retaining nuts and remove the road wheel. Undo the 3 screws and 1 nut, then remove the plastic tray beneath the radiator. Undo the screw at the rear of the wheel arch trims and carefully pull the trims away from the wing to release the clips. Remove the number plate, then undo the screw in the centre and the 2 screws below the outer edges of the number plate area. Undo the 3 screws at the top edge of the bumper. Where fitted, remove the shield from the air intake. With the help of an assistant, carefully withdraw the front bumper from the front of the car. With the engine cold, unscrew and remove the coolant expansion tank filler cap. Position a suitable container under the left-hand end of the radiator. Release the clamp, disconnect the lower hose from the radiator and allow the coolant to drain into the container. It may be necessary to pull the lower hose downward a little to aid draining. When the draining is complete, reconnect the lower hose to the radiator and secure it with the clip. Remove the container from under the vehicle. Remove the drive belt cover where fitted, then slacken the coolant pump pulley bolts. Undo the headlight side mounting bolt, upper bolt and inner bolt. Twist the directional indicator bowl holder anti-clockwise and pull it from the headlight. Manoeuvre the headlight forward a little and disconnect the wiring plug from the rear. Rotate the belt tensioner clockwise to relieve the tension, then remove the belt from the pulleys. Completely unscrew the bolts and remove the coolant pump pulley. Unscrew the 3 securing bolts and using the leverage points provided, carefully prise the coolant pump from place. Be prepared for a substantial amount of coolant spillage as the pump is removed, even though the system has been drained. Recover the gasket. The original one will be joined to the oil pump gasket at the base and will have to be carefully cut through or twisted off. Only a combined coolant pump stroke oil pump gasket is available for refitting, although the coolant pump section can easily be trimmed off and used. Fit the new gasket to the new pump. Clean the mating surface, ready for the pump fitting. Manoeuvre the new pump into place, then refit the retaining bolts and tighten them to the specified torque. Refit the coolant pump pulley, reinsert the retaining bolts but only finger tighten them at this stage. Manoeuvre the new belt into place, routing it round the pulleys as shown. Rotate the tensioner clockwise again to allow the belt to be fitted around the last pulley, then slowly release it to tension the belt. Now tighten the coolant pump pulley bolts to the specified torque. Check that the ribs of the belt are correctly located in the pulley grooves. Then, using a spanner on the crankshaft, rotate the engine clockwise at least a couple of revolutions. Reconnect the wiring plug and manoeuvre the headlight into position. Refit the headlight inner mounting bolt, then insert the direction indicator bulb holder and twist it anti-clockwise. Insert the upper and outer headlight mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Manoeuvre the front bumper into place, not forgetting the shield in front of the air intake. Refit and tighten the 3 screws at the top edge of the bumper and the 3 in the number plate area. Press the wheel arch trim clips into place and secure the trim with the screws at the lower rear edge. Refit the plastic tray beneath the radiator and secure it in place with the various fasteners in the wheel arch area and along the front edge. Locate the road wheel over the mounting studs. Refit the retaining nuts and tighten them lightly. Raise the vehicle slightly, remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Fill the cooling system with a 50-50 mixture of the antifreeze and water until the level reaches the maximum mark on the side of the expansion tank. Refit the filler cap, then start the engine and allow it to run until it reaches normal operating temperature. Stop the engine, allow it to cool, then recheck the coolant level. Top up if necessary.